I'm so tired, but I'm going to get through it and do another video because I know people are just itching for another poor guy with a BLACKSTONE video. I was sick last week. I'm still a little sick. This is a really rough cold. It's a cold. I gave it to my honey. Pretty sure I gave it to Tori. Aiden hasn't had it yet. I'm sure he will. It's been kind of rough. So I'm a little tired. Anyway, we had a very eventful day today. We're going to do a ham and Swiss cheese sandwich on the BLACKSTONE. I got another suggestion from my buddy Tom Llewellyn. Thank you, Tom. We'll put a picture up there. Whoop, of good-looking Tom. He sent me this. We bought this bread at Crest. Jalapeno pepper and cheese. Look at that. Delicious. Now, Aiden is not real fond of jalapenos. So we're going to do one sandwich first, and then we'll cook the rest later off camera. So in case he doesn't like this, we got him some of this delicious buttermilk. Deli meat, Black Forest ham from Crest in Oklahoma City. Got pretty much 2 pounds of it. That's a lot. We're going to make a lot of sandwiches because we like to eat and we're real hungry. And Tom did his sandwich with American cheese. Not a big fan. No one here really likes American cheese, so we're going to do Swiss. And for our demo sandwich, to see if everybody likes it or if we need to tweak personal sandwiches for people, we're going to try it with some Grey Poupon. Isn't that fun to say? So I'm going to go ahead and just do one slice for one sandwich, 2 slices, you know what I mean. I'm going to butter each side, so kind of like a grilled cheese. Just going to add the filling, a little Grey Poupon, and then do a little smash. Flatten it up a little bit, slice it in half. What? 100. Oh, yeah. Hey, I read sign language, kind of. 112 subscribers. Thank you very much. I know last video we were shooting for 100, and my buddy Tom. Oh no. Sorry about that. I'm very popular. Yeah, like, so what I was saying, yeah, we got 112 subscribers, which is really cool. You know, a lot of people, when they subscribe, I notice that, you know, I can't see who it is, and that's all good and fine. But my one buddy, Tom, he was hunting for 100 for me, and he found, I think he was responsible for me getting over that 100 hump. So, yeah, thanks, Tom. You know who you are. So, yeah, so instead of rambling on, I'm just going to go ahead and get things prepared, get the BLACKSTONE fired up, and I'll show you how we do it. And we'll come in, we'll slice it up, we'll each try it and see what we think. Personally, what we might want to change. Tori might want buttermilk with mayo, or but these are the main things here, and we'll see how these things go here, according to everyone's personal preference. But it should be easy, not very expensive. Let's see, maybe $20, $25 at the very most, and we'll all eat it. And we got some fries to eat with it too. I'll go get the BLACKSTONE fired up, and we'll get to cooking. Whoop, whoop. Okay, we got the BLACKSTONE fired up. I turned it on high because it's a little chilly, and it's pretty soon it's going to be dark, so that's why we're not going to do. According to Tom, with the amount of product that I bought, especially the ham, he got 8 sandwiches out of it, and that'd be perfect for us. It's 2 apiece. But like I said, we're going to go ahead and do this one and see how everybody likes it and see what I need to change. But I just sliced up that bread I showed you. Oh, hold on a second, everybody. Little canola oil. I only got this side on for one sandwich. And I turned it down to medium low. So I just butter. Bloop.
Yeah,
butter. Bloop. Okay. Oh, dang it.
What?
Time out.
Run.
I'm so unprepared. I'm back. Grey Poupon. Now, like I said, Tom's original sandwich that he showed me was American cheese and mayo. Honestly, I don't know. I like mustard on ham and cheese. So we're going to just go a little bit like that.
I've never had coupon before either.
Yeah, it's a little spicy. It's a little spicy mustard. Again, you can cater these any way you want. Make them any way you want. Dang it! I'm sorry, people. I'm like really out of it. This cold has just been rough, man. It's been real rough. We got the baby Swiss. It's a little bit more mild, as you all know. We're just going to do one slice.
Excuse me.
Bloop. And we'll put some ham on. We're going to do a good amount of ham because we got quite a bit.
Mom and I kind of taste tested that ham and we didn't.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good.
It's, you know, it's from the deli counter at Crest Supermarket.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot of ham. We got quite a bit. We got 2 pounds. I didn't think the poor lady was ever going to get done shaving. And we were so lucky. We got a brand new loaf of ham. She must knew I was pouring out of the Blackstone.
Yeah.
She's like, that's probably going to be one of his
I'm one of your
videos.
100 subscribers.
She's a very nice lady.
That's good.
Oh, yeah, looky there. Okay. Let's get this right on top. And we're just going to let that sit there for a minute or two. And then I got this little bugger I got a couple years ago. I think first Christmas when I got the Blackstone, I got this. It comes in handy for some things. You can do smash burgers with you. Well, I'm real flat because it's cast iron. It's heavy. Here are my sniffles. That just goes to show I'm not faking it. All right? I'm not faking it.
Coffee in the background.
So, yeah. And I feel bad that I'm spreading it around. It's not a big surprise that Dawn's got it and Tori's coming down with it, and supposedly Aiden is not feeling too good. Starts up here kind of in your head or in your throat, either way, or both. And then, you know, it's like your typical cold. It just settles down here and you just feel lousy. And watch out for that Omicron. I call it the mega variant. No, what do I call it? Megatron. Megatron. Be careful, Megatron is here. All right, I'm going to give it a flip. Okay. It's just a little crispy. And that's what you want. We want it to get to the point where the cheese melts. Now, I'm not going to do like a real smashy smash, but...
Not like a panini smash.
Not quite like a panini smash. But just enough to get it a little crispy. We'll leave that on there. What time is it here in Oklahoma? Almost 5 o'clock. So the sun is going down. It's been a cloudy day. A little chilly compared to what it's been. No wind, which is unique and refreshing here. And so that's what we got going on. I had to get new tires put on the little Toyota today. It cost me some money. And I don't mind it because you got to have good tires. Good tires are very important, people, especially when the winter months are coming. Snow and ice and whatnot. And some new windshield wipers. And I got an oil change, like you all care. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah. No, we don't want it. We don't want it black or anything. So we'll leave it on there a couple more minutes, and we'll bring it in the house, slice it up, and see what everybody thinks. We're gonna make these for supper. This is what we're eating. I just didn't want to try to do 8. So I think part of my problem too sometimes is if I'm going to make 8 burgers and then we're going to eat 8 burgers, I make them all for you guys to see. And sometimes I get a little flustered and things go wrong. So I notice a lot of people when they're doing these, I don't even know if they eat them, but they'll just make one single one or 2. You know, it's more organized and better.
One step at a time.
Yeah, one step at a time, like Dory said. Yeah. All right. We're going to take this in the house, slice it up, and we'll tell you what we think. Again, Tom, thanks for another great suggestion. I told Tom, I said, you should do your own YouTube videos.
Yeah.
I mean, you got good ideas. He's the one. Yeah. There's always that. He's the one that gave me the tater tot casserole idea. So, all right.
Yeah, it was delicious too.
Yeah, it sure was. We're going to do that again sometime. All right, let's go eat it and then make the rest.
Yep.
Okay, there she is. 4 little slices for 4 little people. Here you go, Aiden. Take that.
Thank you.
And Tori, can you eat it on camera? Yeah, sure you can. Just stuff it in your mouth. 1, 2, 3, go. That's good.
Oh yeah.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Needs more poop on.
What do we think of the bread?
It's good.
You all right with it?
Jalapeno though.
Yeah, I mean, I get when you get a piece of jalapeno, it got a little kick to it because they're real jalapenos. It's really tasty.
Yeah.
Tori,
I like it.
What would anyone change? Anything? More coupon?
More coupon.
You all right with the mustard?
Yeah.
This is really good. We're all gonna enjoy this. We're gonna make some more, and we're gonna eat this for supper.
Good.
Yeah. See, tasty. It's a tasty little idea. It's real easy, simple, not very expensive. And like I said, we got some fries. Tom, thank you. Another good idea. Tom actually made these, ate them, took a picture, and sent it to me. So I owe you one again, Tom. Okay, thanks for watching. We're gonna eat these, and maybe I'll see you next week. Hopefully, if everyone's feeling better. Peace out.
Bye.